Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Amazina yanjye ni Hirwa Yasin bisanzwe civil engineering student. Nkuko nayo bamenyesheje ubushize no munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe isomo rya mbere rya Sieve Analysis test. Kanizere ko ufite amatsiko yo kumenya ngo ese bikora biti. So the main chapter we are going to focus on are as follow. The first is introduction, the second is procedures, the last is interpretation of the results. So let's start by introduction. Sieve Analysis test according to AASHTO T27 or ASTM 136. In highway technology, road durability depends on aggregate quality. Today we are running a standard sieve analysis following AASHTO T27 to evaluate particle size distribution. Let's dive in with resources and procedures. This is a sieve shaker, ear plug, sieves, scoop, pan, weighing balance, gloves, sample, recording sheet, as well as cleaning cloth. So after seeing our requirements, let's proceed with procedures. Firstly, wear the recommended personal protective equipment to protect your body from contaminants and harm. The second, weighing the sample. Before weighing the aggregate sample, ensure they are oven dried at 110 degrees Celsius to a constant mass according to standards. The required mass depends on your maximum aggregate size. For our coarse aggregates, we weigh out exactly 2,500 grams of dry material. The third, pouring the sample onto the sieve. Before doing so, ensure your sieves are stacked in descending order from the largest opening at the top to the smallest at the bottom, with the pan underneath. Now carefully pour the sample into the top sieve and cover it with lid. Anyway, you can find the exact sieve sizes listed on the recording sheet. Let's get ready to shake. The fourth, mechanical sieving. Place your stacked sieves into the mechanical sieve shaker and fix it securely in place using clamps. Then connect the machine to the power, but before switching on, protect your hearing by putting on your earplugs. It is going to get loud. Now start sieving for 10 to 15 minutes as required by the standard. The fifth, weighing and recording. Once the recommended minutes are up, switch off the sieve shaker and carefully remove the stacked sieves from the machine. Now empty the material retained on each individual sieve onto your digital balance. Weigh the retained mass for each sieve and immediately record the number on the recording sheet. Let's get the data. Finally, sum up all your recorded weights. According to the standard, this total final mass must match your starting weight within 0.3%. If you lose more than that, the test is invalid. The sixth, interpretation of result. With our laboratory testing complete, let's look at final data on our recording sheet. Finally, sum up all your recorded weights according to the standard. This total final mass must match your starting weight within 0.3%. Our data shows a material loss of just 0.06%, meaning our test is perfectly valid and free of significant dust loss. Now let's use these official percent passing values to evaluate our sample. By plotting those values, we get our particle size distribution chart. Notice how the curve drops sharply between 19 and 9.5 mm, highlighting a high concentration of coarse aggregates. This smooth S-curve proves our material is well graded, ensuring the optimal compaction and structural stability required for road layers. Our sample officially passes the standard. With our testing and data recording complete, the final step is proper laboratory housekeeping. Always begin by disconnecting the testing equipment from the main power source to ensure safety. Next, thoroughly clean your workspace and all the testing resources used, including your sieves, pans, etc., removing any remaining aggregate dust. Finally, return all equipment to its designated storage area. Keeping a clean and safe workstation ensures accuracy for future tests and prolongs the life of our engineering tools. I hope that this Sieve Analysis test was clear, and if you have any questions or recommendations, you may leave them in the comment section, and remember to subscribe to stay tuned for the upcoming videos.